Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I love diffusing and love having wonderful scents around my home, and I also really like good, well-made diffusers. That's exactly what this one is from INRORANS. The top of this diffuser is made with a thick, really well-made ceramic top. You can see that it's nice and thick, but it also has holes, and this allows you to be able to get a different look from all of the LED colors that you can alternate between. Speaking of alternating, the bottom is a wood base, and you can see it has those buttons there so that you can set this diffuser on a timer and adjust the colors as needed. Not all diffusers are the same when it comes to sound. This one is whisper quiet. I barely even notice it when it's on. And it really emits a really nice, well-diffused scent while I'm using it. The diffuser is a good, generous size as well. So if you're doing a constant diffusing, you're gonna get 4 to 7 hours of good quality mist coming from this, which really makes it easy because I don't have to feel like I have to fill it all the time. The diffusing is consistent, it doesn't spurt any water. So if you want a good, well-made diffuser so you can have relaxation time anytime around your home, then go with this diffuser, and that's my point of view.